Understanding possessive determiners and pronouns in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we are going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar: possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. They're more straightforward than you might think, and we'll break them down for you in an easy-to-understand way. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Possessive determiners are words that we place before a noun to show who the noun belongs to. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Let's look at some examples. This is my book. The book belongs to me. Is that your pen? Does the pen belong to you? I found his wallet. The wallet belongs to him. We are going to their house. The house belongs to them. Notice how each possessive determiner is directly followed by a noun. That's one of the keys to spotting them in sentences. On the other hand, possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun. They also show ownership, but they stand alone. They do not need to be followed by a noun. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Let's see them in action. This book is mine. The book belongs to me. Is that pen yours? Does the pen belong to you? I found his wallet. It's his? The wallet belongs to him. We are going to their house. It's theirs. The house belongs to them. See the difference? Possessive pronouns stand on their own, replacing the noun and the possessive determiner. Now that we know what possessive determiners and pronouns are, let's talk about their differences. The key distinction is that possessive determiners are followed by a noun, while possessive pronouns replace a noun. Let's contrast some examples. This is my book versus this book is mine. Is that your pen versus is that pen yours? I found his wallet versus the wallet is his. In each pair, the first sentence uses a possessive determiner followed by a noun, while the second sentence uses a possessive pronoun to replace the noun and the determiner. And there you have it, folks. A closer look at possessive determiners and possessive pronouns. Remember, determiners come before a noun to show ownership, while pronouns replace the noun altogether. We hope this video helps clear up any confusion you may have had. Keep practicing, and soon, using these correctly will become second nature. Happy learning, and until next time.